Hey, it's Upcoming Student here, and today we're going to be talking about the improvements I've been making regarding my video idea note-taking system. So right now I have a very simple prototype. It's not really a working system, but it's just to showcase the basics elements I have for now and what I will be implementing in the GUI next, in the graphical user interface. So right now it works by I have a hash map containing a string, which is the topic of a video idea, and I have a list or an object containing the video idea list called the video idea list, which contains an array list of video ideas, where video ideas are objects containing a topic and an idea, which both are strings. So what I am doing by now is having a file connection manager, which is an object I have created that takes in the file name, and then it finds it inside of my resource folder. And in this case, I first do create a new, as mentioned, a hash map containing the topic and the video idea list. And what it does is the file manager system, file connection manager object, reads the file. So it goes through my CSV, comma separated files, and the first line is the topics, and then the next lines contains the topic and the video idea. So if we're gonna have a look at the file connection manager, what it actually does is when we go, let's see if we can find, we have the read to file and we have read file. So what it does is it takes in no inputs, but it reads from the file, the given file. It create a new hash map, which is the hash map we're going to be returning in the end. And for this hash map, we first get the first line, and we separate it by commas by doing a separator CSV, which is a method I created that just simply separates the file by commas and returns a string array. We then go through our topics and add them as our key to our hash map. We then go through our values and attach them based on the key they contain. So it would go with this one and say this one contains UML, so we will put it inside the UML box, kinda. Or we'd put it inside the UML video ID list. So what this allows me to do is separate the different topics. So now, just to slow through the example, I have a UML topic and a GSE, General Software Engineering topic. And I am able to print a read from the file. I am then able, let's not add something yet, but I'm just able to read the file. And then I can just print the file based on the topics dot get the UML, so get the topic UML, and get all the video ideas from the UML. So right now, I've just run the program. I would just simply only get the topics containing UML. Or I could change it if I, for example, wanted the GSZ topics. I would just change my topic and go GSZ. And when I'm going to be creating a GUI, I would like to have kind of like drop-down menu, which only contains the keys, and then that's the way to choose between the different keys. So now, if we run it again, we just get the key General Software Engineering topics. There we go. And then I am also able, let's just go back to the UML, just add values, where I would just simply add a value. So I would be able to add to or first get the UML topic loaded, and then I would add the video ID. Just create a new video ID. In this case, I just do UML and whatever, it doesn't really matter. And then I would just like to print. Let's just copy this one. So I just like to print all the UML topics again, just to showcase it's been added. And let's print like a line just to demonstrate That's where things have changed. So first we have the 3 basic UML topic ideas, and then we add the UI idea. And then we are also able to save it again to my file. So right now, this is the file. So if I do file connection manager dot write to file topics, so I would like to write the hash map containing all the topics and all the video ideas, and this is the thing I'll be writing, and I then created like a method in the file connection manager that allows it to write the hash map to the comma separated value file like I wanted, with first the topics first and then all the information. So let's try running it. So we added the UI and then we write it to the file. So now we can, as you can see, the UI have been added. And that's the way I'm going to be saving everything, where I'll just grab all information out of the system and just save it again. And then if you load the system again, you would just be able to, so now when I load it again, let's not keep adding. But if I load it again now, you can see we also have the UI topic, which was just added previously. So that's the basics I have for now. So the next step is going to be creating a MVP, which is a minimal viable product, just to showcase that actually it's working with a graphical user interface, because right now it's not really a working prototype. It's more just a showcase of the basic structure of the program. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.